Hey guys, my name is Zakil and welcome to btech Career Guide. So you all know from the past 2 to 3 videos I have posted about the Meesho company test and the Meesho shortlisted mail. Few of our candidates have asked to upload all the questions. So here you go. So this is the document prepared by placement Lelo. Thank you so much for the creation of the document placement Lelo, and this document has been shared with me by one of our group member. Thank you both of you for sharing this insightful document to our members. And let's dive into the Meesho assessment. Okay, and you all know the topics were asked on OOPS, operating system, data structures, algorithms, TBMS, networking and error handling, right? So without further ado, so let's see the questions. So coming to the question number 1, so fixed class animal some code for abstraction and inheritance. So here is the code they have given. So for that we need to select the correct answer, as well as we need to modify the code for abstraction as well as the inheritance. So they have prepared the answer also for that. So here you can see class animal public virtual voice sound equal to 0 and close bracket. So this is the solution suggested by placement Lelo. Okay, and let's see the second question. Oops, cops, I guess. Cops ensure vehicle class vehicle some code for inheritance and polymorphism. So here you can see they have given the certain code, we need to correct them. So class vehicle public virtual void device equal to 0, that's the correct answer for this question. And let's see the third question. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for end-to-end communication? Physical layer, data link layer, transport layer, network layer. So what do you think is the correct answer? So the correct answer is transportation layer. So the layer of the OSI model that is responsible for the end-to-end communication is transport layer. Okay, so the next question is error handling. Ensure throw SCT overflow error of overflow for throwing an overflow error. So what do you think is the correct answer among this? So throw SCT overflow error of overflow. So that's the correct answer among the options provided. Okay, and fifth question, throw SCT length array, valid argument, catch, some code, handle exception. So from all those things, what do you think is the correct answer that we need to mention here? Like you can see catch, SCT, length, error, and the exception handle. So the C is the correct answer likewise. Okay, and what is the role of the SQL rollback statement? So this has been discussed in the previous video also. So what do you think the role of SQL is? Handle changes made during a transaction. So simply without reading any options we can say. So the answer is the role of SQL rollback statement is to undo changes made during a transaction. It is used to roll back or revert the database to the start it was in before transaction started, discarding any changes made within that transaction. Okay, and in SQL, what is the purpose of limit class? So I have already discussed. So what is the purpose of limit class? So the purpose of SQL limit class is to specify the maximum number of rows to return. So specify the maximum number of rows to return, that's the correct answer. So it is commonly used in select statements to limit the number of rows written by a query, which can be useful for a pagination or when you only need a specific subset of result set. Okay, and next one, so find the error lines in the following code. So they will be giving you a certain code. Okay, and we need to correct them by vocally saying. Okay, and I guess this is the correct solution for the question. Maybe they might be giving a wrong program and they have stated this is the correct answer for that. So please, in case if you give this type of question, please try to read this one. That's it, that will be fine enough. Okay, and coming to the next one, find the error lines in the following code. So they have given certain code, the same question as repeated, so we need to find the error among that. So replacing the descripted get functions to fgets to avoid the potential buffer over issues. So you can see this is the correct solution they have modified, but in the question they will be giving you a incorrect program that we need to answer. So this is how we need to answer that. Okay, and then the question is ensure list int my list dot clear for clearing elements in the list. So which of these option you think the correct answer for clearing all the elements in the list? So delete all, erase all, clear, remove all. So the correct answer is clear. Okay, so the 11th one is ensure unordered map int unmap dot empty for checking if a unordered map is empty. So which of the options do you think is correct for checking if an unordered map is empty? Not empty, empty, is empty, check empty. What do you think? So empty is the correct answer. Okay, so the next one is what is the purpose of a Bloom filter in the data structure? So which was already discussed in the previous video. You can see sorting elements, searching elements, checking membership of an element, storing key value pairs. What do you think is the correct answer? Checking membership of an element is the correct answer. Okay, and next one, what is the main disadvantage of using a linear search algorithm? Also discussed in the previous video. So what is the main disadvantage is insufficient for searching. So easily we can say. So the options are slow for large data set, requires sorted data, insufficient for searching, consumes excessive memory. So the answer is the main disadvantage of using a linear search algorithm is insufficient for searching. So as the length of the array increases, the searching capability of the last element is also increases. Okay. So the 14th one, fixed count, set of W of 10, set of fill of 0, set something symbol, that's a output symbol, right? So 25 and output. So what do you think is the output for that in case among these options? So the set of W of 10 and fill of 0 is the correct answer among that. So come to the 15th question, ensure unique pointer int pointer new of int of 5. So what is the correct declaration for that? So these are the four options they have provided. So the correct declaration for the above pointer is unique ptr int ptr new int of 5. So they will be giving you certain changes in the question. I think they have provided the same question here, but do check the answers before you submit. Okay. And next one is nth element vector begin plus 2 vector end for finding the third smallest element. So which of the option do you think is the correct answer? So the answer is, among this option, the answer is int of element of vector begin plus 2 vector of end. So same. There will be small change in the question and they have provided the same answer for that. So coming to the verbal questions. So here you go. Operating system explains the concept of dynamic linking and its advantages in OS design. So this is a simple answer you can provide. Dynamic linking is a concept in operating systems which are executable code, references external libraries or modules during runtime, allowing for a flexibility, reduced memory usage and easier updates. So what is encapsulation in OOPS? Data hiding, inheritance, polymorphism. Encapsulation in OOPS involves bundling data and methods that operates on data into a single unit, providing abstraction, data hidden and modularity simply. So what does the term polymorphism means in OOPS? Code reusability, multiple inheritance, one name, many forms of data hidden. So this is the kind of options they will be giving. So polymorphism in OOPS refers to the ability of objects to take multiple forms, allowing for one interface to represent different types of behaviors. Okay. And in SQL, what is the purpose of limit clause? So we have already checked that. Okay. And coming to the next one, database management, what is the role of the stored produced in DBMS? So I have already explained in the previous video. The stored produced in DBMS is a pre-compiled collection of one or more SQL statements organized as a single program designed to perform a specific task or set of tasks within the database. That's it. And explain the concept of asset properties and their importance in DBMS. So there are 4 asset properties: atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. That are the simple properties of DBMS. So that's the question they have given, guys. So almost around they have given 22 questions and the remaining questions were covered in the previous video of our channel, in our channel. So in case if you want to have a look at that video, you can directly browse to our channel and see Meesho test AI based easy medium questions, 26 questions. This is a video I have explained around 9 questions in that. So in case if you want to have a look, you can go through that later. So I will be attaching the document in the description box. Do feel free to go through that in case if you wish to. And in case if you didn't attempt the test, please do attempt it fast. That's all in this video, guys. All the best. Bye bye.